Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss an issue that whether passing an assessment order under section 143 subsection 3, whether the assessing officer has any power to annul that assessment or to modify that assessment or amend that assessment other than section 147 and 154. The second issue is that whether the assessing officer has the power to disrespect the directions of the dispute resolution panel or whether the assessing officer can pass any assessment order which is not in lines with the DRP directions. This issue has been taken by Honorable Delhi ITAT D bench in the case of Urvashi Narayan versus Income Tax Officer International Taxation, and this case has been reported in 110 ITR Tribunal at page number 670. The date of the judgment is 31st May 2023. The facts of the case are very interesting. The facts are a little bit unique also. In the present case, the assessee is a non-resident individual and has filed the return of income at a figure of 10,33,910. The assessing officer completed the assessment under section 143 subsection 3 at a figure of 6.31 crore on 15th September 2021. After passing the assessment order, the assessing officer realized that the assessing officer has not passed the draft assessment order. So he passed the draft assessment order under section 144C subsection 1 on 30th September 2021. When the assessee received this draft assessment order, the assessee was shocked and the assessee raised the objections before the dispute resolution panel that the draft assessment order cannot be passed after the final assessment order under section 143 subsection 3 has been passed. So now the assessing officer do not have any power to pass any further assessment order. When these objections were received by the dispute resolution panel, the dispute resolution panel was in concurrence with the view of the assessee and they upheld the objections of the assessee and gave the directions to the assessing officer that now this draft assessment order is without jurisdiction and the assessing officer has to quash the further proceedings. But the assessing officer went go ahead with the second assessment order. The assessee filed the appeal before the tribunal against this second assessment order. The tribunal was of the view that the assessing officer could not annul, modify or amend any assessment which has been passed by the assessing officer, and the tribunal further said that the AO has the only option to implement the directions of the DRP in letter and spirit and drop the assessment proceedings. As in the present case, the dispute resolution panel has given the directions to the assessing officer to drop the assessment proceedings. The tribunal further said that AO cannot tinker with the assessment which has been made by the assessing officer under section 143 subsection 3. The tribunal said that the assessing officer has the power under section 147 to reassess the assessee by following the procedure according to section 147, 148, 148A, 151. At the same time, the assessing officer has also the power to rectify any mistake which is apparent from record according to section 154 by following the guidelines of that section. But in any case, the assessing officer do not have power to alter or annul the first assessment which has been done by the assessing officer. The tribunal said that if the assessing officer will be allowed to tinker with the assessment or to modifying the assessment which has been done by the assessing officer, then it will lead to disastrous circumstances. So in nutshell, the tribunal was of the opinion that in the present case, the assessing officer has exceeded his jurisdiction in passing the second assessment order after passing the first assessment order on 15th September 2021 on 15th September 2021. Friends, this case is very important because it gives light on an issue that if an assessment order is passed by the assessing officer, then he does not have any power to tinker with that matter. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Urvashi Narayan versus Income Tax Officer, International Taxation. And this case has been reported in 110 ITR Tribunal at page number 670. The matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT D bench and the date of the judgment is 31st May 2023. Thank you, friends.